Hey patrons, here's a bit of a quick look at the barrel system. I just found this little fella, believe it or not, hiding in the leaves of my pak choi. See, he's had a bit of a feast. Where was it? Another leaf over there. He's had a bit of a feast on there, so lucky I found this little fella. But yeah, the barrel system's going alright. I'm actually thinking about doing a bit of an update clip on it. And I'll post that to YouTube later in the week if you want to check it out. But just for you folks, a quick one. No goldfish in there yet. I'm still using the feed pellets you can see down the bottom there. They're pretty much all breaking down and giving nutrients to the plants. And I've also added probably about a cup's worth of urine, aged urine that I've kept in bottles, so it goes anaerobic and any pathogens in there die out. I think it was in the bottle for around about 4 to 5 months. So I've been using that to age the system as well. I planned on doing a clip on using urine to cycle your aquaponics system, but just never got round to it. But anyway, I thought I'd give you guys on Patreon a bit of an update on how this little system's going. I'm pretty chuffed, so I'll pop a more comprehensive clip up on YouTube later in the week, and you can suss that out as well. So that's pretty much all it is. Bye from me and from my little friend. So bye, Slimy.